Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Salita Correa and this is my channel. This video is very exciting. I'm very excited to share with you guys my long-awaited journey, my curly hair journey. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can be notified when I post. And yeah, let's get into the video. So basically, throughout my high school career, I literally straightened my hair every day. It was literally every day, and my hair was literally so damaged. Like, I'll have a picture here for you guys. My hair was so damaged throughout high school. And honestly, as I grew older, I want to start embracing my natural hair. I decided it was time to, try to focus on it a little bit more. It came to prom season. You guys follow me on social media, you guys have seen two of my prom pictures. I went to two proms. So the first prom, I had very long hair and it was beautiful and it was straight. And for my prom, I decided to just cut my hair off. I decided to cut my hair, do like a little bob for my prom, but not with the intentions of like, oh, like I'm just gonna cut it and keep it curly. So it came to the time to wash my hair, and I was literally petrified. Like, I was like, oh my god, I cannot, why did I do this? Like, I'm honestly just gonna have to wear my hair straight from now on. Throughout the summer, I honestly wore my hair straight a lot. I was in Brazil and my hair was literally straight all the time. Really insecure about my short curly hair. Felt like I looked like Dora. So I just did not let it breathe. I kept my hair straight literally until like December. And then January came around and I was like, nope, I'm going to be serious about this. I started trying many new products. I did my research. I had purchased DevaCurls, and if y'all know DevaCurls is really expensive. It's $20 a bottle. I purchased DevaCurls before and it honestly really helped my hair start its journey. After that, the whole like controversy about DevaCurls came out, and it was just saying how people were starting to lose hair, their hair was thinning out, and honestly guys, that happened to me. I mean, I'm not hating on DevaCurl because it really helped me start my curly hair journey. I did not notice until after that my hair was thinning, my hair was falling out. Honestly, I did notice, but I did not want to blame it on DevaCurl. After DevaCurl, I decided to test some new products out, and those products really helped my hair. I have a long journey to still go through. I have more expectations for my hair, but I decided to take my curly hair journey really serious since January, and I literally have not straightened my hair for about 4 months, almost 5 months. I straightened my hair once for a party that I had to go to, and even then I was a little bit insecure still because I was just starting to get serious. I straightened it for that time, but I kept it straight for 2 days. After that I was like, no. Like, I usually, when I straighten my hair, I keep it for like a week, but I kept it for 2 days and like immediately washed my hair. So ever since that time, which was like early February, I have not straightened my hair, and I will not be straightening my hair for a while, especially because summer's coming up, so I don't really need to be straightening my hair. And yeah, yes, there has been temptations I'm trying really hard not to straighten it, and I just keep thinking about the outcome that's going to come. Alright guys, so now I just wanted to give you some tips on how to maintain your hair. If you guys want to see my curly hair routine, I can definitely show you guys that. So first tip is honestly watching other girls with their natural hair, like embracing it. I see that those girls were insecure at first, but now they've learned to love it, and I know that I can get to that point. Just embrace it, watch other people embrace their naturality, their natural hair, their journeys, and yeah, that will help you remain confident. Second tip, honestly, you don't really have to do this, but what has helped me a lot is taking vitamins that help my hair, nails, all that. The vitamins have helped my hair like stop like falling a lot during the shower when I brush. Vitamins really help. I'll let you guys know which vitamins work for me. Third tip, which is the obvious tip, do not use heat on your hair. I think that's the whole point. If you were to use a diffuser, obviously cool air, but honestly I have not used a diffuser in a long time. I just wanted to do it more naturally. I'm getting my hair to be used to air drying instead of just depending on a diffuser. Do not use heat, and if you want to dry your hair, just use a diffuser and make sure that setting is on cool air. Fourth, obviously this works with anything, this helps with cleaning your skin, being healthy. Drink lots of water, y'all. Like, water really helps your hair remain strong, honestly. Alright guys, my last tip, this is something I've learned recently. Heard a lot of people saying that when you wash your hair more than once a week, it's really drying to your hair. Also, every time you wash your hair, y'all, do not always use shampoo. I've been using shampoo like twice or 3 times a month. My hair is really dirty, like I put gel in my hair, then I'll wash it with shampoo. I'm gonna try to just use conditioner, scrub and rinse out your scalp, but don't always use shampoo because shampoo is really drying to your hair. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna show you some of the products that has helped me get to where I am with my hair. I started using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This really helped my hair, to be honest. I was in love with it. I got it at TJ Maxx. It smells so good. And I would use this about once a week. I have the Aunt Jackie's moisturizing and softening shampoo, and then I would use the Aunt Jackie's In Control moisturizing and softening conditioner. After I got out the shower, I would use the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. That product would remain in my hair, like I just kept it there. And then something else that I still use to this day is the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Rebel oil. Y'all, my hair is frizzy. You guys can see my hair is frizzy. That's something that's I'm really insecure about, and this has really been helping me with that. Next, y'all, I use the Curl Boss. I don't use this all the time, mostly when I go out or I want to style my hair like this. Basically, the Curl Boss coconut curling gel. So basically you can put this after your leave-in conditioner or your detangling therapy. Another gel I want to talk to you guys about is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Scrunch Controlling Gel. Works the same way, leaves your hair smelling so good. If you're really trying to start your curly hair journey, I would really invest in Curl Gel, just because that will help your hair maintain in place and it will make your hair look 10 times better to the eye, I guess you could. So Aunt Jackie was the products that I used a lot during the month of January to February. I actually went to like a curly hair event at my school. I entered my name in a raffle and they were giving away curly hair products, like to take care of your curly hair, and I won. And I was like, oh my god, this is a sign, like you want me to start embracing my natural hair. Like, products that I got for that raffle was the TGIN product. Honestly, I had never heard of this brand before that day. I've been using these. This is the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo, and this is the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. The other thing that came in the raffle from the TGIN brand is the Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. When you're just wetting your hair a little bit, you want to style your hair, you can put the daily moisturizer to keep your hair hydrated, because something I've learned is that curly hair really loves to be hydrated. Put some moisturizer in your hair. Just like your face likes moisturizer, you have to moisturize your hair as well. Something that I've actually been using for a long time at the moments where I really wanted to like repair my curls throughout high school, and I still do use it to this day, is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Deep Hydrating Mask. I use this like once a month. And then for somebody who again has been really insecure about her short curly hair, I'm on a journey to have my hair grow, so I've been using a lot of the Black Jamaican Castor Oil. Every time I wash my hair or I moisturize my hair, I guess you can say, I put that on my roots. Alright y'all, so those are some of my tips and tricks and some of my favorite products that I've been using during this journey. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my little secrets and how I've been maintaining my curls. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and for more videos on curly hair, just give this a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.